Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is this Parmesan roasted baby potatoes. With very minimal ingredients, we can make a next level baby potato recipe. So let's see how to do this. Watch the video till the end so do not miss any tips shared here. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 1/4 of red chili powder. You can substitute it with paprika also. Salt per taste. 2 tablespoons parmesan. Mix it well. Now add this mix to the baby potato. So I have washed the potatoes and cut it into 2 halves. I'll be adding more parmesan to this recipe, so please keep watching till the end so you do not miss any steps here. Mix it well. Now it's ready to be air fried. I'm going to directly place these potatoes in the air fry basket. We do not need any extra pan for this. Just place it directly so it will cook evenly on both sides. So I will set the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once it's done, here I've taken half tablespoon butter melted, then added 1 tablespoon of parmesan once again and 1/4 of red chili powder. I will add this butter mix to the potatoes because once we do it for 385 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, the potatoes gets little dried up. So we want that nice glaze to it. Also, adding extra parmesan on top of it will bring a very rich flavor to this recipe. Now again air fry at 395 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. Now it's nicely done. Butter gives a nice nutty flavor and the parmesan extra added to it will bring this recipe to wow, a next level. Look how delicious this looks. I made this for a party and everybody loved this recipe. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye-bye and take care.